Today we're checking out 5 kitchen gadgets that make cooking easier, smarter, and honestly a lot more fun. These aren't random tools that end up forgotten in a drawer. Each one actually helps you cook better with less effort. Stay until number 1 because it practically eliminates guesswork and makes meat perfection ridiculously easy. All the links to these gadgets are down in the description, so be sure to check those out for current pricing and availability. Number 5 is a glass air fryer that lets you watch your food cook like it's a live show. The transparent design means no more opening the basket every 30 seconds. Powerful air circulation delivers crispy results fast, making it perfect for fries, snacks, and convincing yourself that air-fried food automatically counts as healthy. Number 4 is an automatic pot stirrer, also known as the gadget that replaces your arm. Drop it in and it continuously stirs soups, sauces, and risottos without supervision. Adjustable speeds keep everything moving evenly, preventing burning. Perfect for long recipes or when you want to walk away and pretend you're still cooking. Number 3 is an electric salt and pepper mill that makes seasoning feel surprisingly fancy. One button delivers freshly ground spices instantly with adjustable settings for fine or coarse results. The rechargeable base keeps it ready anytime. It's a small upgrade, but suddenly you're seasoning food like a professional chef. Number 2 is a sous vide precision cooker that makes you look like you know exactly what you're doing. It heats water to a precise temperature, cooking food evenly every time. Just set it and wait. Finish with a quick sear, and suddenly your steak looks restaurant quality, even though you barely did anything. Taking the top spot is a wireless smart meat thermometer that removes all cooking guesswork. Insert it, connect your phone, and it tracks temperature in real time. No wires, no cutting meat open, no guessing. It's like your food sends updates. The result is perfectly cooked meat without constantly hovering. Those were 5 kitchen gadgets that actually make cooking easier and more enjoyable. From hands-free stirring to meat that basically texts you when it's ready, each one adds real convenience. Check the description for pricing and availability. Subscribe for more gadgets that make everyday life simpler and way more fun.